Future Makers by Standard Chartered Bank is the global program of the bank which tackles inequality through financial inclusion and by supporting women micro-entrepreneurs, especially the young ones 35 years old and below, so that we can help them in terms of skills training, capacity building, and helping them to earn, learn, and grow.
On behalf of Alalay sa Kaunlaran Microfinance Social Development Incorporated, we are grateful for the opportunity to work with Standard Chartered Bank for the provision of solar panels to youth micro-entrepreneur under the lifting participation of women youth through micro-entrepreneurship project.
So, salamat po at sa ating strong partnership sa Standard Chartered Bank na patuloy na naniniwala sa advokasya ng ASCI na kung paano tayo makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan. Nakatutuwa na ang focus ito ay mga kabataan na kababaihan.
Malaking tulong po yung solar kasi po pag nawawalan ng kuryente, continuous yung hanap buhay namin. Hindi na namin kailangan mangamba pag walang may bagyo or may walang supply ng kuryente kasi hindi namin kailangan stop yung hanap buhay.
Dati po 12K yung binabayaran namin. Tapos po nung nagka-solar na kami, 3K na lang.
Siyempre po, thankful po ako kasi siyempre sa dami po ng nangailangan, ako po yung isa po sa napili na matulungan.
Naisipan ko po magpakabit ng solar unit una-una para sa business. Pangalawa din yung malaking tulong sa nasisave namin.
Noong una po, medyo nag-aalangan po ako na magpa-solar at sa sobrang taas po ng kuryente namin, parang di ko na po alam yung gagawin. Yung ASCI po, may dun silang solar program na zero interest. Tapos po, parang kaya naman po siyang bayaran compare mo dun sa 12K na binabayaran ko po kada month.
Our Green Energy Program is an initiative that aligns with the global commitment towards sustainability and environmental responsibility. By empowering young individuals to engage in the renewable energy sector, we not only foster economic growth, but also address the pressing challenges of climate change. Moreover, it is also our contribution to reduce our carbon footprint and create new opportunities for economic development at the grassroots level. We hope to continue working with Standard Chartered Bank to empower the vulnerable and marginalized communities that we serve.
Itong Renewable Energy Program na in partnership din sa Standard Chartered na napaka-importante nito. Alam ba ninyo na kahit na nasaan ka at naka-online ka, kung nagpakabit ka, malalaman mo ilang puno na ba yung naitanim mo na i-contribute mo.
Maraming salamat po sa ASCI at sa Standard Chartered Bank. Manalo!
Maraming salamat po sa ASCI at sa Standard Chartered Bank.
Maraming salamat ASCI and Standard Chartered Bank.